Welcome to Solver Fee.
Hi, here in this given problem, if we draw a Cartesian plane having an x-axis and y-axis, then the charge at the origin, this is given as 9.20 nano coulomb, and another charge at a point A, Q2, this is given as minus 5.00 nano coulomb, and its position of point A, that is 2.75 centimeter. Now for the hypothetical sphere, which is centered at the origin, its radius is given as 1.00 meter, means both the charges Q1 and Q2 these will be enclosed within that sphere. If we consider this to be the large sphere, so both the charges are enclosed within that. So using Gauss's theorem, the total electric flux coming out of that sphere will be given by total charge enclosed divided by epsilon naught. Means this is Q1 plus Q2 by epsilon naught, means this is 9.20 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 9, and for Q2 that is negative minus 5.00 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 9, and for epsilon naught this is 8.854 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 12. So this flux is calculated to be equal to 474.4 Newton meter square per coulomb. One of the answer for this given problem here. Then it is suggested that if radius of that sphere, if it is 2.00 meter now, then again it will be enclosing both the charges. So the flux linked through it will remain same as 474.4 Newton meter square per coulomb, which is the answer, second answer for this given problem here. Thank you.